there, I'm Kofi, and I live right here with my mum, dad, and little sister Asha. My sister Asha is ill. Some of her blood cells aren't healthy, and she needs to replace them with healthy ones. Mum and Dad are hoping that someone will be able to help her. So am I. This is my school. It's pretty cool, but don't tell the teachers. Oh no. Noah looks sad right now. Nobody seems to be playing with him. Amira is kind. Look, she's helping Noah. And now they're both having fun. Uh-oh, Olivia's hurt herself. Luckily, Miss Khan is helping her. She's already feeling better. Look, there's Floyd's grandma, Mrs. Williams. She sometimes comes to school to read to us. And that's Rudy. He lives on my street. He's helping Mrs. Williams to cross the road. See that van? It's transporting blood from people who gave it or donated it to people who need it. Giving blood is a way that adults can help people who are sick or injured. Look, Asha's back at school. A lady called Layla has been able to help her. Layla donated something called bone marrow to her. Bone marrow is a sort of thick, spongy jelly inside our bones. We need it because it contains stem cells, which help make all our blood cells. Asha's damaged blood cells have been replaced by healthy ones. When I'm old enough, I want to help just like Layla did. If we all offer to help, then everyone who is sick, like my little sister was, can get the help they need. Together, we can save lives and bring hope to families in our community and all around the world. Tell your grown-ups that they can help. Go to givingtohelpothers.org to find out how.